Hi, Barbara Freeberg here, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to delve into the Marcus Invest Robo-Advisor. It is a newer platform and it hails from the Goldman Sachs brand. Previously, Goldman Sachs was only available to the wealthiest investors, but they launched the Marcus brand to broaden their market so that they could serve more of the everyday investor. And I must say, they did a pretty good job with the Marcus Invest Robo-Advisor. We're going to cover the basic features, the pros, the cons, who it's good for, and then we'll take a little dance around the Marcus Invest platform. So let's get started. Marcus Invest appeared on the market in early 2021. So at this time, it's only a little over 2 years old. But so far, we're liking it. The fees are reasonable, investment choices are great, it's relatively easy to use, and it offers quite a few tools. So let's delve in. First of all, Goldman Sachs is a global financial company. It serves individuals, major corporations, and everyone in between. They span investment banking, securities, wealth management, so they know a little bit about investing and finance. As I previously said, Marcus is their newest brand that is opening up the doors to the average investor, not just the uber wealthy. Marcus Invest is an automated robo-advisor, and it was designed to meet the needs of mainstream investors who just don't have enough cash to be able to qualify for their other services. So here are the basics of the Marcus Invest robo-advisor. Now, if you know anything about robo-advisors, they are pretty much spearheaded by digital investment management. You'll take a quiz that'll cover your goals, your risk tolerance, and how soon you'll need the money. And then from that data and information, the platform will give you a well-diversified investment portfolio. Now, we like that Marcus Invest offers a core investment portfolio, an impact for those of you that are interested in the environment and in sustainable investing, and a smart beta, which is a strategy that is designed to focus on certain investment factors that have been proven in the past to outperform a regular core portfolio. The Marcus Invest platform really has a nice range of investments. We'll delve into that later. They offer tax minimization features. They do not offer tax loss harvesting, which we see as a drawback for those investors with taxable accounts. So let's go over the basic features. We love minimum investment of amount of zero. Of course, you'll need at least $5 to start investing. Between you and me, you probably should start investing with more than $5. I'd say put in at least a couple of $100 or your investments are not really going to grow much. Top features include 13 diversified exchange traded funds. These are low fee. And as I just mentioned, they do include socially responsible and smart beta portfolios. Now, the fee structure is 0.25% of the assets managed. So that's right in line with the bulk of our all digital robo-advisors. Although I must say there are some free, and that means no management fee robo-advisors like Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, M1 Finance, and SoFi Automated Investing. So if you don't want to pay any management fees at all, you can look into those other robo-advisors. The type of accounts that are offered at Marcus are pretty much the basic accounts that most people need, such as an individual or joint taxable brokerage account and a variety of retirement accounts like a traditional Roth rollover or for your business a SEP IRA. The investment funds are low fee. We love low fee, exchange traded funds. I like the tweaking with a nod to value investment funds and municipal bond funds for those of you who open a taxable account. I also like that they have weekday phone representatives because between you and me, there's sometimes you just need help from a person, not a bot or an FAQ. So who should choose Marcus Invest Robo-Advisor? Well, if you want a basic robo-advisor, an investment manager who is going to manage your investments and grow them for the future for a reasonable fee and backed by the Marcus financial giant, you might consider Marcus Invest. New beginner investors can get started with zero investment minimum. That's a real plus if you are just getting into the investment markets. If you want a wide range of diversified funds within your robo-advisor, Marcus might be for you as well. But if you're looking for a robo-advisor that does have financial advisors available, then Marcus won't be for you because other robo-advisors actually have certified financial planners that you can consult with, like SoFi or Betterment or some of the other robo-advisors. Now, if you want a sustainable robo-advisor who picks funds based on ESG criteria or has smart beta investment choices, then Marcus is certainly worth a look. We mentioned no tax loss harvesting. User experience is good. It's very easy to sign up. Security is good with Marcus, as it is with most robo-advisors. They typically use bank level security. Now, Goldman Sachs does offer a Marcus app for all their Marcus products, and that would be where you would find your Marcus Invest robo-advisor. There are 3 strategies. We've discussed those. And let's take a quick look at their investment portfolio before we take a view of their actual platform and then wrap it up. Now, I like that they have a variety of different bond funds from short-term munis, investment grade, and even high yield. And then you'll see they have quite a list of stock investment funds from US, of course, international value stocks, real estate, and even international real estate. So Marcus might be for you if you're someone that likes the idea of really wide diversification and also an attempt to have an allocation to lower valued stocks. So let's take a hop on over and we'll take a look at the Marcus platform. Like I said, it's a nice user experience, isn't it? Very clean. Starts out describing the platform. Of course, you can go right to opening an account. They would love that. But if you want to delve into the platform a little more before signing up, you can do that. You choose your goals that you might want to invest in. Then I do like this interactive investment tool to see what the portfolio could do over different time periods, given different rates of returns and risk levels. This is kind of cool. So you've got their 1, 2, 3 different asset mixes. This is a conservative, a moderate growth, a high growth, and you can play around, find out what your returns would be given the different asset allocations. And these are ballparks, of course. You can't go to the bank with these. They're just approximations. They give you a little overview of how it works, how you can customize it, and fees information, of course, frequently asked questions. I love those because we typically get the answers to all of our questions there. But they also have some very nice, helpful investment-related articles. So, is Marcus right for you? Well, it's got a lot going for it. The main drawbacks that I see are it's newer. So, does it make that much difference? I don't know. The funds are solid, low fee investment funds that have been around for a while. Although the Robo-Advisor platform is newer, it is based on a very well-respected older financial company of Goldman Sachs. It's good for beginners. It is good if you want a very diversified portfolio. The fee of 0.25% of your assets managed is very reasonable as well. So if you'd like more information, obviously you can read the article. You can visit the Marcus Invest platform. I will list below links to the article, the Marcus platform, and other related robo-advisory information. I would like you to sign up if you felt this review was helpful and you would like to learn more about investing. And of course, if you learned something, give me a thumbs up because that's how I get more visitors to this YouTube account. Thanks for showing up, and I will see you next time. Bye.